So we are completed with the natural resources, and now we are proceeding towards human-made resources. When the original form of natural resource is changed by human being to make it more useful, then it is called a man-made or human-made resource. What does that mean? Something which was already there in nature in its original form, when through human intervention it is being processed and converted into a more useful thing, it is called a man-made or a human resource. Okay, they use their knowledge and skills to develop technology to convert natural resource into useful products. So this I have already explained you a lot many times in the previous videos, that how does the importance of a resource is gained when through human knowledge, their skills and technology, we are able to convert the naturally present resources in the nature into useful products. Okay, like buildings, roads, machinery, vehicles. So you will say, ma'am, how are they converted? Okay, like let's suppose we will talk about buildings. So we had plain land, or you can say we had forest. We cleared the forest, we paved out, a way to make buildings. We used raw material, we used sand, water, brick, we made bricks out of that, and ultimately we made buildings. So anything, basically we took raw material from the nature, we processed it, used technology, knowledge, skills, and through our human intervention we made it into a more useful utility or a thing. Okay, so that is why these are called human made resources, the resources which are being made by human beings. Technology is also an example of human made resource. Okay, now, what are human resources? The greatest resource of the earth is human being. They use their knowledge, skills and technology to make best of the natural resource. This must be already clear to you. What are human resources? Basically, humans itself are resources, and through their knowledge, skills and technology, they make best use, okay, of natural resources. Only human beings can discover, exploit, develop and convert the available or potential resource into a useful product or wealth. Who can do that? Who can give value addition to a resource? It is only human beings, and only they have the capacity to discover. Like the example of USA, where natives could not discover because they were not educated enough. So discovery, exploitation. Obviously animals are not exploiting resources, we humans are exploiting resources for our own own needs. Okay, and develop and convert the available or potential resource, available which is already there, or potential which could be a resource, into useful products and wealth. Here wealth means giving value addition. Okay, we are giving worth to it. Okay, education and good health have helped the human beings to become a valuable resource. So basically education and also good health, these are two factors from which we are able to make valuable resource. See, always remember, if I am saying a valuable resource, that means it has a worth and it has a money associated with it. Like for example, this pencil, wood was already there in the nature. Okay, it had limited resources, but can wood replace pencil? Was I able to write with wood? No. So through human activity we used the wood, we processed it, converted into pencil. So now this earlier wood had zero price. Now when we converted into pencil, it had value, utility. Also a certain amount, a price was attached to it. Okay,